Happening now at 5:30, a noisy problem rattling a beautiful neighborhood. And tonight, ABC Action News is taking action for you. We found out this problem is only going to get worse. Tampa International Airport getting ready to redirect some of its air traffic because of runway construction.
That means more large planes flying closer to neighborhoods. Tonight, ABC Action News reporter Cameron Polam is taking action to find out how long the headache will last. Cameron?
This is my third year in this place in the neighborhood, and there you go. Now we're talking.
Gabriel Minos calls this South Tampa neighborhood home. It's quaint and quiet, well, other than this, of course.
I would say there are good days and bad days. Sometimes they are coming really, really low, and it's really, really noisy.
And unfortunately for those living near Beach Park, it's about to get even louder.
We land all of our jet traffic on our primary runway, which is on the west side of the airport.
Beginning February 9th, expansion construction will shift that traffic to its east side runway, putting a large swath of South Tampa and areas north of the runway in its path.
So in the winter months, you'll see more traffic landing to the north than any other time of the year, and subsequently it's certainly noisier, if you will, to the south.
Spring and summer will track them over the north side neighborhoods. In total, the change is in place for 19 months.
For that 19-month period, we are going to alter the flow of air traffic into the airport.
Airport officials say they will use social media, mailers, and other outreach to alert the community of the upcoming changes, stressing this is only a temporary change, with aircraft only landing between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m.
Bye.
As for Gabriel and his family, he'll just take it one day and one plane at a time.
I do foresee it's going to be a little more noisy, and well, we can start counting planes, that's for sure.
In Tampa, I'm Cameron Polam, ABC Action News.